This program is brought to you by the Cultural Council for Palm Beach County. Visit palmbeachculture.com. And by Discover the Palm Beaches. Visit thepalmbeaches.tv for more information. Additional support provided by the Gardens Mall.
The Art of Nature. Adventure with us into the inspired gardens of the Palm Beaches, where life inspires art and art inspires life. We all share a unique connection with Mother Nature. She inspires us to nurture, sustain, and protect her. Let us adventure together into the Art of Nature, where we will be visiting some of the most beautiful gardens of the Palm Beaches. These are special places where we can engage our creative spirit of play and relaxation, wonder and learning, seeing, and in this hectic world, just being. Come on, take a moment to smell the roses. The Art of Nature, Palm Beach County style, is calling us.